guys, what's up? How are you guys? So welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a subscription box which is taking the industry like that. I'm going to talk about the Glamco subscription box. So if you guys don't know what a subscription box is, a subscription box is a box which is specially curated according to your needs, and for you it has 4 to 5 full or sample size products depending upon what site have you subscribed. So today we are going to talk about the Glamco box. Now it is new in the market and these are one of the most affordable subscription box available in the market. Now when I went to the site, there was a questionnaire which was given to me, so that they asked me about what's my skin tone, what kind of products I like, and basically get to know me more so that they can customize and create my shades and products which I prefer. Now this box retailed for 399 rupees and I paid 60 rupees COD for that, which is great. Now they have products worth 2200, that is 2200 rupees. So we are saving up to 1800 rupees, which is amazing. So now when I opened the box, it came in this box right here, which is a normal Unicard. I know they used to sell this box for 299, but I think they have upgraded. Products were wrapped in bubble wrap, so it reached to me very safely, nothing was damaged, and it was quite quick. Now there are two cards in this, which are these one is the unbox, the luxury card. It has all the products listed along with the price. This is how the box look like. I have taken off all the packaging and all the cards inside it. So it has 4 products as you can see. So I'm going to take you through each product one by one. I have used 3 of their products more than 5 to 6 times, so I'll give you a honest review on it. So they sent me this card in which all the details related to the products and their full name with the prices are given. The original prices of the products are given in this card, so it's easy for us to tell that what product is for what cost. So guys, the first product is this Manakadar lipstick in the shade Gilt. Now this lipstick is their lip locked priming lipstick and it is 3.5 grams of product. This is how the shade looks like in the tube. Now this is what I'm wearing today. It's a matte lipstick and the texture is really matte. Now this lipstick I have been using from past 4 to 5 times, so I know how it feels on my lips. It is very buttery, it glides on super smoothly. The only thing is it's not transfer proof, but it lasts me around 3 to 5 hours, which is a good time for a lipstick to last. Now this lipstick retail for 1560, which is like 4 times the price of the box, or 3 times the price of the box basically, which is like insane. Now this is an international brand and it is amazing. Now it leaves a tint even after the lipstick has gone. Like every time I eat, the lipstick transfers, so it is not a transfer proof lipstick, but still there is a tint left which I have to remove with a makeup remover at the end of the day. So it is an amazing product. Next product is this Mons Sub face mask. It is the Pearl Revitalizing 3D Hanging Ear, Face and Neck Mask. Lightening, brightening, revitalizing, lifting and firming. Oh my god, this is a handful. Now it is vitamin C extracts basically. So it is a 2-step mask and it is a all over mask. This mask retails for around 250 rupees. Now this mask comes with a mask which is a sheet mask right here, which will actually cover your ears as well as your neck. So it will really firm, tighten and brighten your skin. At the end, after you remove the mask, it has a vitamin C serum which is this one, or essence, which you have to apply like a serum onto your skin with rubbing and then patting motions. I haven't tried this mask yet, but I'm super excited because I have heard such good things about this company, and I have never tried a sheet mask which covers your neck and ear, and it also comes with a serum which is super strange. So guys, this is the next product, which is the Neem Green Tea Lip Scrub. Now this is a natural lip scrub, and this is how it looks like. It looks really strange in the pan. It is, guys, this is not a sugar scrub, which really took me away. Now if you see in this, it looks like a cream, which is a foamy cream, but when I touch it, you won't feel much of a difference it can do. This is how the product looks. It is very creamy in texture, but when you apply it to a surface, it has really finely milled particles which will really exfoliate your skin with moisturizing. I think this has coconut oil in it because I can smell it whenever I use it. It has really finely milled particles which really exfoliates my skin. The best thing about this is there are no fallouts, and after I have done scrubbing, my skin is super soft. There is a negative point about it, the smell. The smell is super awful. It smells like a herbal medicine, I don't know what. But apart from that, this scrub really does the job really well. Products retail for 250 rupees, and this is by the brand Neem Naturals, which is amazing for a product like this, and it is 100% natural product, which is super cool. Now next product which we are going to talk about is the Bio Bloom hand and body lotion in the variant lavender, and this is a 30 ml of packaging, which is worth 150 rupees, and oh my god, oh my goodness, the smell of it is heavenly. I have used up a little. It was filled to top, which is a nice thing. They have given a good quantity for the pricing, and oh my god, it smells exactly like fresh lavender leaves, and it is very nice non-sticky formula. The only thing is we have to dig it in from a finger, but this is how the formula is. Very easily blendable and very smooth, which is super nice, and the smell lasts me around like 2 to 3 hours, which is amazing. I use this as a hand cream, and I keep it in my handbag like all time. This is my new favorite. So this is what the pouch and the bag contains, and now it comes with this stuff which says paraben free by Manakadar, and it tells about their featuring lipstick. So all in all, I feel this Glamigo box is amazing. I will definitely repurchase this. Now I know if you take 12 months of subscription, they will provide you this box for 299 rupees, which is insane. Like 299 for a subscription box. Now I have seen Fab Bag and there are Bling box, which are super expensive in comparison to this. So this has full size products for the ones who are asking, so it's amazing to get this box. I will link down the website of this in the description box so that you can click on the link and buy this, and you can watch my old video, which is the makeup starter kit, somewhere right here. I'll be linking it. So until next time, bye bye.